in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. So the first thing, we're gonna put some baking soda. All right, that's what I use, baking soda. All right, here's his in. Yeah, this is the one I'm using. Some people don't wash them ingredients at home. Yeah. All right. So what you need to do is leave this for at least 10 minutes before you even use it. All right, so what we're gonna do, put this aside, make them go on easy. Now you can pick up yourself. All right, then so the first thing what we're going to do, 1 cup of water. All right, that's the first thing. Right here, this is cloves. Alright, we're gonna put a few grains inside of it. Look at that. Alright, amazing. Yeah, that's looking good, guys. Yeah, so that look nice. That's the cloves. Cloves is powerful, and I will encourage you guys to use up the cloves as much as I can. Okay, let's wash off these ingredients. Excellent. All right, cucumber. Yeah. We're gonna put some of your favorite ginger. Here it is. All right, ginger. ginger. Excellent. Sorry about that. Water running. Things happening. See that, guys? Look at that. Yeah. This is good, guys. All right, this is good. Cinnamon. Yeah. That's good. We're gonna turn off the cooker. Yeah. Yeah, turn off the cooker. Of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right. Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself one and support the progress. It's available for every one of you guys. A good vibes. That's how it look right there. Excellent. So we just take it off of the heat. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? All right. Here it is. Look at that. Excellent. That's what you want to do. And drink it as a detoxing. Yeah. All right. So this is how it look. Perfect. Oh yeah, Chef Ricardo, you don't know it already. Look at that, guys. You see that look? Yeah, man. Perfect. 100% effective. All right. And that's what we're talking about. So you guys can drink this 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 in the evening before you go to your bed, and a good vibes. All right. Now you can also cool it down and drink it as a detoxing during the day. All right. Yeah, man. That's what you can do also. So it's a beautiful drink, very healthy and very delicious. Also, you can blend up the ingredients, strain it off, and drink it. Leave your comments. Tell me exactly what you guys think about this one. Think about this recipe. All right? Yeah, man. Let me see what you guys think about this one. Very awesome.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.